this is Erica. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to use cucumber to make 3 different nations appetizer. Today's first recipe is from Taiwan, and the second one is from Japan. Third one is from China, Sichuan. They're all very simple to make but taste very different. Before we start cooking, let me teach you how to pick cucumber first. The cucumber we're using for these 3 dishes today are the small cucumber. When we're picking cucumber in the store, we want to pick the ones that are hard to the touch, and if possible, pick the bumpier ones because they contain less pesticides. Also, pick the cucumber with both healthy looking ends, dark green, same thickness from top to bottom. Now, let's get cooking. The first recipe is Taiwanese cucumber. This dish is very commonly seen in Taiwanese restaurants. I make it almost once every other week for snackings. First, we cut the pre-washed cucumber's ends off and slice it into 8 parts and chop it to 1 bite size around 4 centimeters. And also slice off the seed because it contains a lot of water in the core. It won't be as crispy if you don't do this part. Place it in a plastic container or a bag. Second, add in 3% of salt, which my cucumber is 180 grams. So right now I'm gonna put 6 grams of salt. Add in the sliced chili, cover and shake. I love spiciness, so I normally add in the whole chili, but if you don't like the spicy, you can also take out the chili seeds so the chili will just be a color decoration. Don't afraid of smashing the cucumber in a container. It actually helps the cucumber to get rid of its water, so it will take more crispier at the end. Squeeze out the water and add sugar and lemon juice. Mix it well. Most of the restaurants use vinegar for this step, but I prefer to add lemon instead. The vitamin C in lemon is more natural and can absolutely do the job. Also, it can remain the cucumber's beautiful green color by going brown. And here you go, Taiwanese pickled cucumber. The second recipe today, we're going to make the Japanese style miso cucumber. This dish will need to roll cut the cucumber into bite size and put it into the container. Add in 3% weight salt and 10% weight sugar. Shake and mix well. Then set aside, let it marinate for 2 to 3 hours. Meanwhile, it's time to make the sauce. Get a plastic bag and add 2 tablespoons of miso and 1 tablespoon of cooking wine. Different brands of miso contain different degree of saltiness. Add some sugar to balance out the saltiness of the miso, and it takes a little time for sugar to melt, so keep that in mind too. Then rub the bag gently to mix all the ingredients together and melt the sugar. When you're mixing the sauce, make sure to taste if it's too salty, too sweet, because different brands of miso have different taste. When the cucumber is ready, squeeze out the water and add it into the bag. Rub and mix it all together. Squeeze out the air and put it into the fridge for 3 hours. And here you go, the Japanese miso cucumber. Last but not least, we're making Sichuan peanut cucumber. This is my first time making this recipe actually. I saw this recipe on a TV show and I have always wanted to try it. First step is the same, slice cucumber into bite size, put the cucumber into a plastic container, add salt and shake to force out the water in the cucumber. The amount of salt you add is not important because now we're going to rinse off the salt with water. Next step, heat up a frying pan, add in a peanut and stir fry it. Keep mixing for around 3 minutes. This will make the peanut more crispy and smell better. In the show, they use a plastic bag to smash the peanut, but I like to use as less plastic as I can, so I'm just going to chop it into small pieces. Add half of the chopped peanuts into the cucumber and add sugar and vinegar in ratio of 1:1, and 1 tablespoon of spicy bean sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and mix it all together. It's done! The Sichuan-inspired peanut cucumber. Time for a taste! This is Dan, my boyfriend. We're gonna test out 3 different flavors and see what's our favorite.
Alright.
Let's try it.
Alright.
Let's start from this one.
I like it. What's the sauce? What is that?
It's only lemon, sugar, salt, garlic, and pepper, and chili.
Really? That's it?
That's it. It's very simple, right?
Yeah, it's very good. Put those all together and shake it?
Yeah. You like it?
First time with the right amount of salt.
Before I make it too
Too
salty.
salty. Yeah.
This is
This
perfect.
is good.
I measure it.
It's
Measure it.
It's not that spicy. Like it's mild, I'd say overall, but you do.
But you have a hint of taste.
The spice, yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, I
You
like it a
it?
lot. Yeah.
First of all, you're not a big fan of cucumber, right?
No, not
And
at all.
it doesn't taste
Cucumbers
like
by
cucumber.
themselves. No, cucumber is just water. Cucumber is hard water.
Cucumber have a special taste though. Just make it a little different, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Makes you feel healthy, but it's tasty. All right, last bite.
Okay.
Next one, the
You
miso.
gotta finish chewing this first. You love it?
It's
You
very
gonna eat
good.
that all later?
Yeah.
Okay.
You have a big
What about
bowl?
Mikey?
Do you have more? Or is it just this plate?
That's it. Okay, this one. It's a miso style. So this is more Japanese style. And I would say a little bit more sweet and have like a miso taste.
Okay. My first time having this kind.
Yeah.
Let me try to
Tastes like
figure it out.
cold miso soup with cucumber in it.
Like thick miso soup, cold.
I think I tasted in a Japanese restaurant before. It's like they made miso radish, the white radish.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then I think they made miso everything for like appetizer, side dish. It tastes exactly like that.
Kind of softer. It's less crunchy than the other.
Cause this I made yesterday.
This is-
When you make this dish, you can put it in your fridge for like around 3 days, and it's still gonna be like this, same consistency.
It tastes almost sugary.
More like a
I
snack.
don't feel as healthy eating this. you
Yeah.
know,
But how about a taste
even though
though?
it's cucumber. It's good.
It's good.
Yeah.
If you have like more
Little
of a sweet
confusing.
tooth, you'll probably like this one better.
The more I eat, the more I want to eat more.
Okay, last one. We're gonna try the
That's
last
the
one.
last one.
This
Okay,
one,
okay.
I'm most excited for this one.
That one looks the most busy.
Right? So this one is the Sichuan style. So it's a little spicy. There's like spicy bean sauce in it, and there's peanuts on it too. So it makes it extra crunchy too. Is that good or what is that face?
I
Spicy?
like that a lot.
You like that a lot?
Yeah.
Let me try it.
It's
Is the
sweet.
peanut still? Is it?
Is it not supposed to be?
I don't know. You can really taste the doubanjiang,
What's that?
the spicy bean sauce that we also use in hot pot, spicy hot pot. I really like it. I think this is probably the best, in my opinion. I like this one too.
Yeah.
I don't
these are
hate
my
this
top
one.
two.
This is just not my culture.
Right. If I have to pick one, I pick this one.
Really?
Yep.
That's your favorite? Because you feel
It's my
healthy?
favorite.
You feel
Feel
less
healthy.
chungus?
I like salt.
You like salt?
I'm a big salt fan. And, you know, there's not as much salt as last time, but there's still a good amount of salt.
Right.
And this tastes really good.
Yeah. This one is my favorite. More flavor. They're really tasty. You can have like the little hint of the sesame oil smell. Smell. It
Very
smells so
distinct.
good. It smells really
It
good.
smells like
Smell
peanuts and sesame oil.
that. That smells like garlic.
Real
Smell this one.
big garlic guy.
Smells like miso. Okay. I'm gonna teach you how to say cucumber.
In Chinese.
In Chinese. I told you what does it mean, right? In
Yes.
Chinese. What is it?
It means a little yellow melon.
Little yellow melon. Right. So the character of little yellow melon is 小黄瓜.
Xiao Hong Gua.
From here. 小
Xiao
黄
Hong
黄
Huang
瓜.
Gua.
So it's little 小
Xiao
黄
Hong
yellow 瓜
Gua.
melon.
Xiao Hong Gua.
黄
Huang
yes 黄
Huang
黄 second tone. 瓜
Xiao
first tone.
Huang Gua.
瓜
Gua.
瓜
Gua.
yeah.
Okay.
小黄瓜.
Xiao Hong Gua.
Perfect.
It's like a roller coaster.
Do you still
Xiao
know?
Hong Gua.
小黄瓜, you're
Xiao
right.
Hong Gua.
Do you think I should do this?
What?
It
Ask
feels like people
some
like
stuff?
it, they will subscribe without you saying that.
I think it
You know.
helps. I think
Does
that
it?
everybody does it because it helps. You would very much appreciate it if they left a like and
Right.
subscribed.
Say it for me.
Say the line. Say the line. Thanks everyone for watching my video, and if you like
My
it,
video.
please like and subscribe, and join me next time for another cooking video. Thanks
Bye.
everyone.